In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make your own shoes on the Nike app. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, instead of starting this process on the Nike app, I am recording it on their website. This is for convenience, but to my knowledge, you will be able to follow these exact steps that I'm going to show you here inside of the app. But I believe that doing it on the website is more convenient. Like I said, choose whichever option you prefer, and all that you have to do to customize your own shoes on the Nike app is to open the menu, and in here you will be able to find the option to customize by Nike. So for example, if you go under the men's category, you will find this customize with Nike by you. When you go into this category, all the sneakers or shoes displayed here will be able to be customized. So you will see this little pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen or top left corner of any shoe presented here. So all that you have to do is select any of the options here. If you find some sneaker listed on the Nike app or the website that doesn't have this customize option, then as it is suggested, you will not be able to customize it. But if you tap on this little pencil icon at the top left corner of any sneakers, you will be redirected to this page and you can find the option to customize. So first, you can get some inspiration by looking at pre-made designs, or just go ahead and tap customize at the bottom. Now this page is going to start loading. This is going to take a while because a 3D model of the shoe that you are customizing is going to appear on screen. So as you can see, it's loading there, and now I can move this 3D model around to see the sides, see the soles, and everything about the shoe that I'm customizing. There are a lot of parts to change, and for this video I'm gonna keep it simple and I'm just going to rush through them all. You will be able to change the material, how everything looks, and make the perfect design for you. Like I said, take your time, carefully go through all of these options because there is a lot, and for this video I simply wanted to showcase how to access this menu. But you should spend some time here, customize it to your own liking, and you will be able to set it up the way you prefer. I hope I was able to help you on how to customize or make your own shoes on the Nike app. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.